I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins at the closing market minute for Tuesday, July 21st. Soybeans and corn both ended the session lower, continuing to focus on U.S. development weather. Now, forecasts for much of the region do continue to look fairly hot in many key U.S. growing areas, but there's also expected to be some decent rainfall in much of the region, at least until early August, and that is allaying some of the concerns about some crop stress during key development phases on both corn and soybeans. Wheat did end the session higher, short covering support there, along with the lower move in the U.S. dollar index, which at least theoretically makes U.S. goods more competitive on the export market. The USDA's spring wheat rating did dip over the past week. There is some rain in the forecast for parts of the northwestern U.S. plains into the Canadian prairies, and the winter wheat harvest is closing in on that 75% mark pretty quickly. Live cattle were mixed and feeders were higher, waiting for widespread direct cash cattle business to get underway. No bids or asking prices are out as of yet, and widespread trade could wait until after Friday's cattle inventory and on feed numbers. Box beef was mixed at midday on Tuesday, and feeders did pick up some additional support from that modestly lower move in corn. And hogs were mixed, adjusting spreads with conflicting fundamentals during the session. The pork carcass cutout value was down at midday, breaking its recent hot streak, but cash business was steady to sharply higher at the open. With the closing market minute for Tuesday, July 21st, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins.